Hi guys, this is our brand machine GM-V1380. It's not merely a machine, it's more than a piece of engineering artistry. With its precise control, robust functionality, and unmatched durability, it redefines the limit of machining. The X-axis and the Z-axis feature a three-guide design, while the Y-axis incorporates a four-guide design. GM-V1380 is capable of transforming the dreams on blueprint into reality with astonishing precision and stability. GM-V1380 embark on a new era of efficient and precise manufacturing with you.